Hello, my water lemon. So today I'll be unboxing the Toshiba 43UL3263DB 43-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart TV. So the model number is 43UL3263DB, and I bought this. CEO number 1 bought this budget smart TV at £219.98 at Costco Black Friday. So the box. This is the TV, but it's not. This is just a minified version to say how it looks like, but it's actually this big. So here is 4K HDR, and this is the resolution, and micro dimming like the brightness, and yeah, this is also how the TV is. So this is Toshiba. In the box there is a TV setup guides and user manual. So I'm gonna open it right now. So I've opened it now. So let me show you the small. This is the accessory for the setup TV. So I have the crisp open. These are nuts and bolts. Yep. So I'll put it down here. And there's the TV remote. This is the manual, and this is the TV remote. Oh, there's also batteries in here. Manual. Whoops. Oh no. Manual and stuff. These and some batteries and a TV remote. This is the on button, and yeah, there's Prime Video, Netflix, Play, Twitch. What is that? Rakuten TV, and one star. I'll take it. Put it there. Okay, one more thing. This is the outlet. So, yeah. So now me and CEO number 1 are taking the TV out. Yeah, that's definitely. Wait, hand me the TV. This is our TV. It's so cool, isn't it? So cool. Actually, that's a piece of phone. It's very heavy. Oh, wait, let's put it on the side. Yeah, we got the TV out. And we got a bunch of toys here. So we've got the TV here, and we've got very big screen, and we got Toshiba down there, and very reflective and shiny. So, and I'm gonna open it. So, cut. And take it. Thank you. See you in another one. Here's the stand. There's masking tape or... Okay, here is the stand, and here is the thing which goes with the stand. So I assume it goes here to hold up the TV like this. So the TV is here, and then you watch TV like this. So the screen size is 43 inches or 108 cm. The panel type is DLED. That is direct black light LED. The resolution is Ultra HD 3840 pixels times 2160 pixels. The dimensions with the stand, which is this little thing over here, with the stand is 973 millimeters times 249 millimeters times 602 millimeters. Without the stand, the dimensions are 973 millimeters times 81 millimeters times 567 millimeters. The net weight is 9.5 kg. This smart TV has features such as audio video sharing, AVS, web browser, Netflix, YouTube 4K, screen mirroring so you can display your smartphone or a table screen on the TV, Prime Video, Google Assistant so you can say, okay Google, so Amazon Alexa so you can say, Alexa do this and do that, and Internal WLAN. At the back of the TV, there are 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port. There's a digital audio output, headphone output, and antenna output. There are 2 speakers with the power of 12 watt each. It does not have VGA input and no Bluetooth connection. I'm going to show you the back of the TV so you know where everything is. So at the back of the TV there are 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port, digital audio output, headphone output, and antenna input. And there's a place where the stand goes. So I'll put a piece of a stand to go in. So it goes there, and you need to put nuts and bolts to secure it on. So thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you found this interesting.